How to make your website Slider mobile friendly. To make your website Slider mobile friendly, you need to optimize both design and functionality for smaller screens. Let's go over the key steps to do this properly. First, open your Slider editor and switch to Mobile View. Most platforms offer a responsive design mode that lets you preview how each slide appears on phones and tablets. Adjust the font size, image scale, and layer positioning to ensure that nothing overlaps or gets cut off. On small screens, less is more. Reduce clutter and keep the message clear. Use the Hide on Mobile option to remove non-essential elements from mobile views. This keeps your layout clean and focused. Be sure to test your slider on multiple screen sizes, not just the preview window. Use actual devices or browser simulation tools for a realistic view. Responsive sliders also need to adapt to screen orientation. Make sure your design works both vertically and horizontally. If your slider contains clickable buttons or links, ensure they're large enough and easy to tap without zooming. We've linked mobile-optimized templates in the description, so be sure to check them out. These templates are designed to look great and function smoothly across all devices.